Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a little ecosphere aquascape for your aquarium crabs and anything, freshwater fish, and yeah, so let's start. So you need spray hose and you need to be on center and some blackstone and a pot. Just firstly wash your pot and then put your slit down and right. So you don't really need that because I have a huge amount more, and you need one of these. So you just spray and wash them, kind of like that. And you want them to get nice and clean because there might be starch. Be nearly enough. I think that should be enough. So, now you have to kind of wash this. So, when you finish washing it, put all your stone and just lay them in. And you want to try and make a little, that's not one. You need to try to make a little whole pile of it. So I'm going to put them separately everywhere. So I'll see you when I finish putting these in. So I've done this, and just fill in the cracks. And so then you can take like a few big rocks if you want to, just wash them out and lay them on. And I'm just going to get a few more to make it look better. So you can just spray them again so that the dirt comes off. And then you can just put them on right over there. So it'll be a great place for your fish and stuff. And yeah, so I'm done. And that should go down. You could just and put that. Okay, now you can add some water. So I'm just gonna use shower and just looks like it's not clean enough, so let's just take the water out. I'm just gonna use jet, and then you can spray it. I'm just gonna get that. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna get that light on, so then yeah, you guys can see better. Now you can just tip out the spare water that you sprayed with jet. And put the rocks in. I just like to smudge them in, just like natural. And that one should be right there. And now you can use shower again and try filling it up again. Okay, that looks better. Not that good, but still it looks great. I'm just gonna do this until every single rock is clean, and so yep. Okay, so I'm still doing this and it's nearly done and it's pretty clear right now. Okay, should be done. So I've got a few rocks and it looks great. So now what you're gonna do is you can just add more decorations and that should be it. So I just got some decorations and I'm gonna put some of these mini figures. Well, yeah. Doesn't work. Well, let's just put the plants in. So I want it to be right over here. That one to be probably on that look. And then I'm gonna put it right into it. And then that stone right there. And that big piece of stone. Maybe that one there. That one there. So now it'll probably raise up in a moment, but we won't worry about that. We'll just put that all the way into it and then just cover it up with the stone. Probably that stone to help it go on. So that one looks good. That one looks good. But I don't know why doesn't this one look better. Might be because of... Okay, I've got this plant just set up a better way. Just knew that didn't really work. So I just knew that, and I don't know how to put in this thingy. Okay, now I've got this one set up. I had no idea just then, but now I have. So, I'm just gonna put that one right there. So, this is the whole result. What you'll get is you'll get these results. So, it looks awesome, and yeah, I just used black stone because they look good. I just get them from like there, over there. Right there, but there's one that's, yeah. So I'm just gonna put that piece of stone, push them. So I've done the same thing with my crabs. Now, and these are the results for my crabs. So I like them a lot and they're good to go. So my crab always stays in water, but today there's no reason why he's up here for a reason. So I'm gonna throw the food in. They like meatballs. Okay guys, I put it right here and it looks ordinarily good. So make sure to smash that like button to see more videos. So bye.